Hey everybody, my name's Chris and I am out here camping and I'm getting ready to make some coffee, but I wanted to let you know about a new accessory that Fire Maple has put out for their X series camp stoves, and it is the French press lid. You can see that right there. Now this lid works with the X1, 2, and 3 because it has the same diameter lid. It has a stainless steel push bar. It has drain holes right here. So I have actually never made French press coffee before. I'm going to try this for the first time making French press coffee. So check it out. Okay, so I have the X3 right here. I bought it because I like the size of it. So we're gonna get some water boiling. I'll bring it back when it's boiling and when we add the coffee. Okay, I got a boil. We're going to turn this down and we're going to add the coffee. Like I said, I've never made this before. Okay, and as I understand it, you also have to do a little bit of stirring just to make sure. And then I'm going to let this sit for a little bit and then I'll come back and I'll push it down. Awesome. Okay, first time doing a French press. Here we go. We're going to test to see if there's any granules left over. Get the nice and secure there, and I understand that you want to go slow. So this is what we're doing. We're going slow. Nice and slow. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what the result is. Okay, I don't have the lid on all the way, but that's all right. So make sure you have your lid on. But no granules. Check it out. Awesome. All right. Check out this accessory. I highly recommend it. Like I said, first time use, you can obviously tell, but this thing works great.